Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Allstate.com website is and what you can expect from the service. According to Allstate, its website provides insurance quotes, policy management, payments, claim services, and information about its insurance products. Allstate offers coverage for cars, homes, renters, condos, motorcycles, boats, RVs, businesses, and other documented categories. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee website performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. For auto insurance, Allstate offers liability, collision, comprehensive, uninsured and underinsured motorist, and other coverage options. Available coverage requirements and options vary based on state and individual policy details. According to Allstate, customers can get an auto insurance quote online and adjust coverage options while viewing estimated price changes. Customers can also request assistance from a licensed representative or local Allstate agent. Allstate offers auto insurance discounts for qualifying customers. Its current website lists discounts for factors including bundling policies, anti-theft devices, anti-lock brakes, responsible payments, and qualifying students. Eligibility and savings vary by policy and location. Allstate also provides Drivewise, an optional program that uses driving behavior to personalize auto insurance rates. According to Allstate, Drivewise evaluates factors including driving speed, braking, time of day, and phone activity. Customers can receive savings for participating, while higher-risk driving can increase rates where permitted. Allstate also offers Milewise, a usage-based auto insurance product designed around how much a customer drives. Its pay-per-mile option combines a daily rate with a per-mile rate. Product availability and pricing depend on location and eligibility. Allstate homeowners insurance can include coverage for the dwelling, personal property, liability, and additional living expenses following an eligible covered loss. The company also offers renters, condo, landlord, and other property insurance products. Customers can use My Account to make payments, manage automatic payments, view policy documents, access ID cards, and manage supported policy information. According to Allstate, most auto, home, condo, renters, motorcycle, snowmobile, and off-road vehicle claims can be filed and tracked online. The Allstate mobile app also supports digital ID cards, policy information, claims, roadside assistance, and Drivewise. Coverage, premiums, discounts, eligibility, and product availability can change, so users should check the terms provided for their specific quote or policy. For users interested in insurance quotes, policy management, claims, or Allstate's other documented insurance products, Allstate could be an option. Whether this website is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this website or notice anything missing or outdated.